Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallam. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn one great prophet, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Let's start. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. A long time ago, in the small village of Ur, a boy was born. His parents call him Ibrahim or Abraham alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam was a very good boy. He loved Allah more than anything else in the world. When he grew up, Allah made him a great prophet. The people in the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam's village did not love Allah. They did not bow to him. They did not pray to him. Instead of praying to Allah, they pray to stones and statues. They even made a special room for them. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam hated the stone statues. He said to the people, "You must pray to Allah." Nobody listened to him. One day, all the villagers' people went to the market. The Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ was alone. He thought, "There is nobody in the village. I am alone. Now I can get rid of all the stone statues. Then everybody will bow to Allah and everybody will pray to Him." The Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ went to the room where the stone statues were kept. He took a hammer and broke them one by one. When the people came back to the village, there was nothing left but broken stones. The village people were angry with the Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ. They shouted at him. They held him by his hands and legs and they threw him into a fire. Allah loved the Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ a lot. How could Allah let weak people harm Ibrahim ﷺ? Allah said to the fire, "Be cool." The fire obeyed Allah and became cool. It did not burn the Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ at all. He was saved. After that, the Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ became bold. He knew Allah was on his side. He told the people to forget the stone statues and bow to Allah. He traveled from one village to another and told the people about Allah. At first, only few people believed in what the Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ said, but slowly more and more people joined in. Allah looks after people who love Him. He guides them in everything. He is always with them. The moral of the story is that faith in Allah is the only thing that can save a believer in this world and in the world hereafter. Thank you very much.